I'd like to share this conversation that I've just had with somebody. I've just had a coaching conversation. I've actually had two of these this week, and one person was from Spain originally, and the other one was from Italy. And they found it a bit difficult in the job market within the UK, but they've decided they definitely want to spend time in the UK and live here. And they're looking for different job opportunities. And we discussed, well, how about sort of contacting Spanish organisations and obviously Italian organisations, because obviously having the um, the different languages is going to be a big plus. And then they started asking me, well, how do I find these? And I said, well, it's a full-time job, or it's at least a part-time job, that you've really got to set a lot of time aside and literally spend time, get an Excel spreadsheet, and just start to list organizations, Google them, or Google importers of Spanish goods or Italian goods, especially food, because these importers will need Spanish and Italian speaking people to build up the relationships, to do the negotiations, to account manage the organizations that are dealing with in Italy and Spain respectively. So it is about, yeah, getting on Google and then starting to find the organizations, then using such thing as LinkedIn to look at those organizations, to follow them, because then you'll find out if they've got any positions as they advertise, and then you can slowly connect. And I would suggest that if you are looking for this type of situation, you would just connect with people who work for those organizations, um, look for people that are doing similar positions to you, and just explain, look, I'm of Italian or Spanish origin, obviously very good at the language. I'm very much interested in working for an Italian or a Spanish organization that operates in the UK, or importers, and just have that as would you like to connect? And then from that, if they connect, because if you don't ask, you don't get, you'll be surprised at how many people will connect, and then you can start to build up a relationship. No, nothing is necessarily going to happen straight away, but it will do for the future. And it's very important to start then creating a database of people and organizations you'd like to work for in the future. Um, because as I said, we're all a limited company, as I always say this, and you've got to look at the future, and maybe that you go and get a job that isn't exactly what you want now, but it will be a good one for the future. Oh, sorry, you've got the job now, but it's not necessarily what you want to do for the future. But then you've got all this database of information that you can keep tapping into. And yeah, especially using LinkedIn and Google, you can find these organizations and find these opportunities. So please do treat it as at least half of a part-time job, if not a full-time job, looking for opportunities for you to go and work for. Anyway, I hope that's of use, and if it is, and you do apply that technique, please let me know how you get on. Take care, and good luck for the future.